What's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech with another short video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can double up the speed of your iDevices. If you have an iPad or iPhone, this will work on both devices. So let's jump into the video. As you can see that this iPad is already jailbroken, and even we have done some tweaks. The speed is not that impressive as it should be, although it's an old iPad, and as soon as you start downloading more games and apps, you'll have a big impact in terms of speed, and obviously that will impact the battery life as well. So if you're new to channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the upcoming notifications. So moving forward in the video, first thing you have to do is to go into the settings section, and then head over to general, and from general you click on accessibility, and after accessibility you look for reduced transparency, and then you have to check this section. This will also play important part, and the second thing is reduce motion. Then the third part is, guys, you have to go back into general and then click on the background app refresh. From here you can either switch it off if you want to make your device super fast, or you can pick and choose. When you double tap the home button, you can see that the transition is very fast. When you open settings, as you can see that the device is obviously slightly faster than it used to be. When you click on the search and then type something, then it will have effect as well. And obviously guys, this will definitely improve your battery life. So that was it for today's short video, guys. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any feedback or comments, don't forget to leave in the comments section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.